Making your own liquid fertilizer at home is easier than you might think, and it can give your plants a big boost. All you need are some onion peels, rice flour, water, and a bit of sugar. First, let's talk about the onion peels. When you eat onions, you usually throw away the dry outer layers, right? But did you know that those peels are rich in nutrients that plants love? By soaking them in water for about 24 hours, you can create a nutrient-rich liquid that your plants will thank you for. Next up, rice flour. This might sound a bit strange, but rice contains lots of good stuff for plants too. By grinding up some rice and mixing it with water and a bit of sugar, you create another liquid that's great for giving your plants a healthy boost. After letting both mixtures sit for about a day, it's time to combine them. Simply strain out the liquid from the onion peels and the rice mixture, and then mix them together. Now you have your homemade liquid fertilizer ready to go. But why go through all this trouble? Well, let's talk about the benefits for your plants. The onion peel liquid is packed with nutrients like potassium and phosphorus, which help plants grow strong and healthy. It can also act as a natural pesticide, keeping bugs away from your plants. As for the rice and sugar mixture, it provides plants with carbohydrates and other nutrients they need to thrive. Plus, the sugar can help feed beneficial microbes in the soil, creating a healthier environment for your plants' roots. So by using this homemade fertilizer on your seedlings and plants, you're giving them everything they need to grow big and strong. And the best part? You made it yourself, using simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Give it a try and watch your plants flourish. If you found this helpful, show your support by liking our video, subscribing to our channel,